What's up everyone? Good morning Danang, good morning Philippines, and hello world. And actually parang second day pa lang ata natin to. Second day it is. And ano mga bang video natin for today? Ayun. So for today's video guys, samahan nyo akong i-tour ko kayo dito sa napakagandang hotel na to. So we're gonna have of course a hotel tour and the breakfast buffet experience. And then what else can I say? So yun, basta good morning. And sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, first impression ko here in Vietnam, nang paglapag ko pa lang, ang daming gwapo. Parang second home ko na nga siya. Walang makakapigil sa akin. Kahit guys mga staff, I'm not sure, sana hindi siya yung maging parang standard nila na makapag work yung mga ganon. Pero even the driver guys, yung mga tour driver sa pinuntahan nating Marble Mountain, ay nako. Magiging healthy yung mga mata ninyo. So anyway guys, this Grand Mercure Da Nang is like 10 minutes away from Da Nang International Airport. So you have a lot of options to book a private car transfer from airport going here, or you can book a Grab, or kung wala naman kayo luggage, I think meron din silang Grab bike. And yun nga lang guys, pagdating natin dito, or actually pag arrive natin here in Da Nang, may nabook kasi tayong na airport transfer, si Kuya Tatlong, and nakuha ko na siya like a couple of days before we arrive here. Nakausap ko na siya, at ang binayaran natin guys is 150,000 dong. But did you know na nag-check ako guys ng Grab car from airport going here, parang nasa siya, around 70,000 dong. So mas mura pa rin ng Grab, pero yun nga lang, at least hindi na kayo maghihintay. Yung airport transfer ninyo is mismong naghihintay na sa inyo with a placard with your names, any names that you want to be called on. Pero if you want again, kung gusto nyo na like midnight na or gabi na darating kayo dito, then you can book a transfer ahead of time. You can also book through Klook. Kaso nung chinek ko siya, mas mura pa rin yung private car natin or private transfer natin. And it's still up to you guys if you want to book any tours, any transfer, any hotels, any activities sa Klook. You can use my promo code Mark Paragas Klook for instant discount up to 5 times use per account. I'm not sure kung meron sila ditong taxi. Parang wala pa ako napapansin. And isa pa guys, napansin ko agad, nag-check ako, walang 7-Eleven ata dito sa Vietnam. Parang sa lang din, sa Bali, Indonesia, 'di ba? Instead na 7-Eleven, mas marami sila yung Circle K. Ganon. So dito, meron silang parang pinaka-local na convenience store na tinatawag nilang parang local mart, mga ganon. Tapos may mini store din. Meron mga 24 hours yung Gopi Mart, yan, local mart, mga ganyan. Kasi ang gagawin natin guys, after ng stay natin dito sa Grand Mercure, pupunta tayo ng Bana Hills. Tapos kailangan natin magdala ng snacks kasi sa Bana Hills din walang mga convenience store ata. Para may food ako sa gabi, instead of parang mag-buffet or kumain sa mga restaurant, mag-snacks na lang tayo. Nagtipid. So anyway, going back sa ating hotel tour. So this is the entrance on the side of the hotel. Pakita ko sa inyo. So yun guys, Grand Mercure Da Nang. And here, meron nang nakalagay na this way to the lobby, ground floor, sa veranda, Vietnamese restaurant, may Golden Dragon restaurant. Sa second floor, may Sontra Grand Ballroom sa second floor. Tapos, dito naman yung kanilang parking. So if you have any service na maghihintay sa inyo, mga tour, I guess pwede sila mag-park dito. And syempre kung may mga sasakyan din naman kayo, pwede kayo mag-park dyan. Malawak naman. Tapos dyan yung main entrance. Dyan tayo papasok. Pero anyway, let's check first yung surroundings niya. Parang itong side guys, mga parang subdivision, puro bahay. Diba? Ang ganda. Kasi alam mo yung parang kung dito ka nakatira, kung local ka, sa tapat mo lang may hotel. Feeling ko sobrang mahal na mga properties na yan. And then may nakikita ako na isang Ferris wheel on that side. That's the Sun World, an amusement park. Tapos we're gonna have, of course, a vlog. Pupunta tayo dyan kasi may nakita ko sa Klook guys na ticket for that park na may kasama ng Ferris wheel. Meron diyang roller coaster, tapos meron ding haunted house. Alam niyo naman diba, yung mga ganon. Sobrang gustong gusto ko. Pwede kayo mag-jogging dito in the morning guys kasi para siyang mini park. And then, dito on this side, if ever magagaling kayo from the airport or kung saan kayong tour, dito palagi ang exit and entrance ninyo. Sa bridge na yan. Okay, so that's enough of the talking. And let's go to the main event. Charot. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos guys, hindi pa tayo nagba-breakfast. Sakto guys, maaga ngayon. Currently it's 8:50 AM. Magba-breakfast muna tayo pagpasok natin. Tapos, continuation ng ating tour. So kapag may mga service kayo guys, pagdating nyo dito, yung mga concierge nila, grabe yung service. You open yung door for you, tapos kung may mga luggage kayo, syempre matic na yun. So this is the lobby guys. And then of course this is the reception area. Check-in, check-out. So standard check-in guys is 2 PM and standard check-out ay 12 noon. So check natin dito sa site. You can actually lounge here kung gusto nyo lang mag-work, mag-chit-chat, and kung ano-ano pa. Tapos may minibar dito. Yan. And then ayun na yun. Pwede kayo mag-stay doon. Kahit saan nyo gusto. And then of course the common toilet. So this is the reception guys. And by the way, shout out to Ryan and Cam. There you go. Tapos this is the concierge. You can just ask to leave your luggage here. Dadali na lang nila sa room ninyo pag available na ang inyong mga rooms. Dito, parang sa second floor guys is more on meeting rooms. So ito, you have the options na maghagdanan, or you can take the elevator on this side. They have the piano here. Alam nyo ba? Gusto kong mag-aral ng piano. Even now, na naiisip ko siya, sumasagi siya sa isip ko. But not the priority. So, look at this. Grand Mercure Danang. And they have the restaurant here at the ground floor. Diyan tayo mag-breakfast buffet. So they have a total of 3 elevators guys, or 3 lifts. Pakita ko sa inyo. Before we head to that side, they have the casino here guys, na mini casino lang. I think that's on the 5th floor. So if you want to play, diba, punta lang kayo. Look at this guys. Ang ganda no? Yung mga simpleng ganito. Tapos yan yung mga elevator. And look at this. So I guess that's it for now sa ating hotel tour, pero we'll have the continuation later on. Mag-breakfast buffet muna tayo kasi ang breakfast buffet is until 10:30 lang. So it's 9 AM na, para hindi tayo makagol sa oras. Check natin yung mga food, check natin kung ano yung mga magugustuhan natin, and syempre konting kwentuhan kung may maisip ako na pagkukwentuhan. And also kung ano pa yung mga pwedeng review natin. And honest, chamarut ek. Alright, so by the way, shout out guys to David, the general manager of this hotel, and to Cameron, my friend. Alright, so that's enough. Let's head to the restaurant. Hello, 1910 look for one. So this is the Cold Cuts station. They have the fruit station here, and on the other side they have the breads, white breads. Look at this. I like, actually my favorite, croissant. They have some donuts, sweets, jams, and fresh milk for your cereals. They have the yogurt station here, the mixed fruit, the main event. On to the next one. So they have the salad. Oh yeah, salad station. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Some dressings over here. And let's check this one by one. So they have the sauteed vegetables. They have stewed beef, which I think masarap to. Fried chicken with lemongrass and chili. We'll try that one since mahilig tayo sa chicken. Fried noodle with sausage. Gusto ko yan, lalo na sa Thailand. Fried rice, egg. Black bean sticky rice. Raisin pudding. Pork and chicken sausage. They have pancakes and waffle over here. And of course, my all-time favorite, the heart bacon or the crispy bacon and the salt bacon. And they have the egg station here. You can request if you want scrambled egg, omelette, boiled egg, poached egg, and kamsahamnida. Nakatlagay kasi thank you. And they have the coffee station over here. So by the way guys, since you're in Vietnam, it is a must try the Vietnamese coffee. So you have the options if you want the coconut coffee, coffee with condensed, egg coffee. I'm not sure if they have one. We'll check that later. Ito yung pinaka-restaurant. So by the way, meron pa pala dito. Oh, sorry. I'm not sure kung anong station to. So this is more on parang Vietnamese. Ano na? Parang siguro meal of the day yun, ganon. And then they have baked beans, and grilled tomato with oregano, roasted potatoes, tapos some condiments, toppings, and they have the noodles here. Yeah, chicken po, beef po, noodles with chicken, and the toppings, and dim sum station. So on this side, this is parang pinaka mini bar nila. So they have the juices here. May fresh milk, may chocolate, may coffee. Tapos, and this is the Vietnamese coffee, I guess. Tapos fresh juices. And this is the mini bar. You can request. Ayan. Go pa ni Kuya. You can...
What do you mean?
We'll request that later. Ito pa oh. What is that?
Salted coffee. Have a salted cream on
Salted coffee?
Yes.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so actually 200 yan. We have one here and on the other side. Parang mas bet ko dito. Lipat na lang kaya ako dito. I think I'll stay over there. Sige. Kunin ko lang yung gamit ko. Kasi may motivation ako dito sa kabilang side. Charot. So ito. Ito siya. Ito may tsura din oh. Kuya. Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. O diba? Sabi ko sige. Ang gagawa po ng mga tao dito guys. So anyway. Kuha na tayo ng food. Huwag na tayong ano. Puro harot eh. Wait lang. Alright, so round 1. So anyway, dito pala, may parang ginagawa na silang mga coffee. Tapos, kukuha ka na lang. So, papatikin na sa atin. Pero, hindi pa tayo tapos. Alright, so this is actually round 1. We have the, what do you call this? Comment below. Scrambled egg. More cheese, of course. Tapos, may chicken po. Ayan. Smoking hot. And we have the fried rice, guys. Stewed beef. Tapos, may kimchi chicken. And then, some crispy bacon. And then, they gave me the salted coffee. So, by the way, look at this. So, for the Vietnamese coffee, guys, you have the options to choose black coffee, coffee with condensed milk, coconut coffee, or salted coffee, like this one. This is salted. Alright, bon appetit. Hindi pa ako nakakatikim ng po. At medyo mainit sa part na to. Pupuli po yun. Ayan. Ayan. This is nice. Hindi nga lang mainit. Mainit sa part ko. Let's try the salted coffee. Gusto ko sana i-try yung coconut coffee, black coffee, tapos itong salted coffee. Yung coffee with condensed milk, guys, na tikman na natin siya sa lounge. So, check na lang. Okay naman siya, in fairness. Parang mas bet ko siya. Salted coffee from HUE region. Kasi dito ko diba sa Danang merong Hoi An, may Bana Hills, may U. So yun, masarap. Oh my God. Buti na lang, may pang-balance tayo kasi mainit dito sa part na to. May cold drinks tayo, may hot soup. Nadidistract ako pag may gwapo. Alright, we are done with the soup. Chicken po. Masarap. First time to First time ko na-try. Look at this. Let's try their beef stew. Unang nguya, hindi ko pa siya nalalasahan. Parang hindi pa siya siguro dumadaan doon sa taste buds ko. Akala ko wala akong panlasa. Masarap siya. Masarap. Siyempre mas masarap siya with rice. Yung kahapon, yung chef kahapon, parang may kakaiba siyang nilagay sa omelette natin. Parang masarap. Ito masarap din, pero yung kahapon mas masarap. Masarap yun to. Well, literal na omelette. Like, more toppings, tapos more cheese. Pero minsan kasi may kakaiba sila nilalagay din. Like milk siguro, may milk. Okay siya. Siyempre, pork kimchi. Masarap siya guys. Kung nakatikim na kayo ng kimchi soup, the best. And did you know guys na sobrang healthy ng kimchi. And if you are parang a fan ng kimchi tapos kinakain nyo siya, it can lower your cholesterol, your sugar level, tapos maganda pa siya sa skin. Nakita nyo naman kung saan bansa siya galing. Siyempre hindi ko pwedeng sabihin kasi mga taong nakapaligid sa akin is taga doon. Masarap. Medyo maanghang, of course, pero sarap. And syempre, ang bacon. Ang maganda dito guys, yung bacon nila, di ba? Sa bacon ng mga natatry natin sa Novotel, sa Sofitel Macau, is yung mga long strip talaga ng bacon. So this one, kinat nila into bite size, which is really nice. Hindi ko naisip yun. At ngayon ko lang na-experience to. Kasi nga, parang, alam mo yun, hindi nakakaumay siyang nguyain ng buo o hindi mo na kailangan hiwain. Bite size na talaga siya. Tapos diba, they have two kinds of bacon. Soft bacon and this is hard bacon. Pero mas preferred ko yung kahapon na crispy. Ito hindi siya masyadong crispy. Pero okay lang yung lasa. Kasi kahapon, iba yung lasa pag crispy bacon. Nasarapan ako talaga. Pero ito sakto lang kasi hindi siya crispy. Parang alam mo yun, bacon should be made as crispy as possible. So doon naisip. Tapos, kung magra-round 2 pa tayo, siguro kukuha lang tayo ng kimchi ulit, ng pork kimchi, tapos beef stew, and then konting fried rice na. Tapos magre-request ulit tayo ng salted coffee guys. Yung gumagawa nito may tsura. Sabi ko na lang na, kapag ginagawa niya, bibidyo ako siya. Hello, Xin Chao. Can I request for salted coffee? Salted coffee.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No?
Yes.
Oh, okay. This one? Yeah. So guys, nag-request ako ng salted coffee. So nung lumapit ako kay baby, baby agad. Sabi niya hindi daw pwede. Dun nga to galing. So yun, tapos pinicture ko na lang kasi baka hindi niya ako naintindihan. Tapos may lumapit na babae na sabi, parang feeling ko, sabi, sige, gawan mo na lang. So yun, hindi ko lang sure kung bakit, kung kasamang ba talaga siya or hindi. Pero binigay nila sa akin kanina eh. So anyway, I'm not sure. Hello. Thank you. Yeah. Is this free?
Yes, including tonight, including breakfast.
During breakfast?
Tonight.
Okay. Thank you. Free naman daw. Siguro lang si baby hindi lang sanay. So anyway, kuha pa tayo. Kasi may noodles pala doon na hindi ako kumuha. Tapos kuha pa tayo ng pork kimchi. Si baby tuloy. Gusto ko pa naman siyang kuhaan while he's making me sweet charot. Salted coffee. Anyway, char. Sige. Next time na lang. Kuha muna tayo ulit.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so as promised, so we have the pork kimchi. Ang sarap niya, tignan. And then we have the fried rice. Tapos, yung noodles niya, nakalagay doon noodles, pero puro togi na lang natira. And then we have the beef stew again. Tapos ito yung ating salted coffee. Currently it's 9:45 and actually wala tayong plan for the whole day. Mag-i-edit lang tayo tapos mag-check ako ng pwedeng gawin. Yung isingit, yari sa hapon, gano'n. Para naman hindi sayang yung araw natin, diba? Bibidyoan ko pa naman sana pang reels si baby. Disappointed ako Charot lang. Siguro hindi niya lang ako nag-gets. Alright, so actually ito na yun. Wala na akong pwedeng ikwento. Kung may maisip man akong kwento natin sa continuation ng hotel tour natin. Dito na lang tayo sa swimming pool at saka sa iba pang pwede natin puntahan and then outro. So yun. Before we jump to the next scene, masarap yung food in fairness. Hindi siya nakaka-overwhelm yung sa sobrang dami mong pagpipilian, ganun. Kung ano yung nakita mo, parang hindi ka nakukuhan sa iba kasi masarap siya. Ulit-ulitin mo pa, ganun.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we are done guys with the breakfast buffet experience. Now let's continue the hotel tour. So by the way, nandito tayo sa lobby. So again, this is their reception area. This is their lobby. And they have the mini bar here. Check this out. This one. Look. And they are offering Mojito Madness for 149,000 dong. So if you want to get to the pool, actually ito lang siya, same floor, outside pool, outdoor pool. Let's check. Ano yung meron sa baba? Let's head out. So this is their swimming pool guys. You can lounge here if you want. Check this out. Let's have a 190-degree view of the swimming pool. So I guess this is the only pool they have. Tapos you can lounge here, you can take pictures, and the view is the river. River ba to? So I see that they have a kids room or playroom downstairs. But since there's a stairs, you know what to do. Charot lang. So anyway, look at this. If you will be coming from the highway guys, so yung service niyo going here to the hotel, it'll be on the bridge, tapos this way. And then one thing I noticed, you can actually walk by yourself going there. And this is, I'm not sure what's the name of this bridge. Tapos you can go under the bridge. Tapos parang may mini park looking at the river pa rin ata yun. Han River. So this is the restaurant by the way. I think you can access this pool using here. Hindi ko lang sure guys yung mga towels where to request. Wow. Amazing. So anyway, may nag-chat lang kasi. Actually today, my friend Cameron will be in the Philippines. So he will stay, I think, in Ibis for the entire week. And then, I think he arranged a parang meeting na rin in Novotel. I'm not sure kung bibigyan siya ng overnight complimentary stay sa Novotel. But I think Novotel Aqua in Mandaluyong is actually reaching out sa kanya kasi nga, diba, yung mga content niya is more on staying in Accor hotels for 1 year. Straight yun guys, for 365 days. So that's why a lot of hotels or Accor hotels are reaching out to him. So anyway, we are done on this side. Medyo malamig dito guys, medyo mahangin. I'm not sure kung heated to. No, it's not. So I guess kung tirik yung araw, you can swim here if you want. I'm not sure where to get the towels and everything. So let's head downstairs for the kids room. Let's just have some quick look. Buti na may elevator. So this is it. Pak Kids Lounge. And they have the toilet here. So this Kids Lounge is open from 8 AM to 5 PM. So I guess this is open already. Ayan. So I think you need to take off your shoes. They have a TV here. So table, slides, and a mini play area over here. So if you have kids and you want to swim, so you can leave your kids here, then you can swim up there. So they have the lift over here. So let's take this one because I don't want to take the stairs. Then let's head to the other floor. So they have the spa on the 4th floor. Ballroom or conference is on the 2nd floor. Reception, pool, and bar on the ground. E-gaming club on the 5th. Meeting rooms at the 3rd. Parking, kids club, pool lockers on the basement. Privilege lounge. Let's go to the fitness. We are not going, guys, to the gaming club. It's a casino, so we're not allowed to take videos and photos. Alright. Now we are on the 4th floor.
Morning.
Good morning. Xin chào. Yeah, this is the spa.
Yeah, this spa.
Yeah.
You like to go to massage?
No.
Yeah.
Just wanted.
Want to see?
Yeah. Can I? Okay.
You have to see outside, right?
Oh, that's the gym as well.
Yeah.
How about this one?
Yes.
This is the spa.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the spa. This is the gym.
Yeah, you see outside, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ang gwapo ni Kuya. Kita nyo ba yun? So this is... Ano to? Oh. This is also a spa, guys. Okay. So this is the male locker. So I guess no one is using it naman. So they have the sink here. They have the what? Okay. So they have the steam and the sauna. So I guess you need to ask for assistance if you want to use any of these. They have the shower here. And look at the view. And then they have the jacuzzi. This one. This is nice. And this is the locker. And more what? Okay. So this is the toilet for male, I guess, because they have the urinals here. Hello? Oh yeah, this is male locker. Ayan na nga. Let's head out. What is this? Training? So guys, mga ano to, mga spa room. So nasa kabilang side lang pala tayo. Labas tayo kasi gusto kong kuhaan si Kuya. Ayan. Look at this. Diba? Oh, okay. Per room, guys, they have their own jacuzzi. If you want to book or if you want to experience yung spa here sa Grand Mercure Da Nang, you can request at the lobby or you can contact them if you're gonna be staying here. So you can just call 0 and book an appointment. So this is it. Here we are again. We are back. Hinahanap siguro ko ni Kuya. Nawala siya. Asan si Pogi? Si Baby. So anyway. So this is the Karma Spa, guys. Here. Now, let's head to the fitness center or their gym. Okay. So now I know. This is the way for the female guests, and this is for the male guests.
Yeah, male and female.
Okay. So for the female, they have their own sauna and steam.
Yeah, sauna and steam. It's
And
opposite.
Yeah, and then for the male,
Yeah, the same.
okay, same.
Yeah, same.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ang gwapo. I think Mr. David, can you hire me as assistant here? A lot of good-looking guys here, ha? Alright, so this is of course, the counter where you can get your towels. I'm not sure kung kailangan nyo pa mag-register and so on, but I guess palagi ako dito, guys. Nandun si Kuya. So anyway, they have the overlooking here. I'm not sure if this is open. Ay. Open, pero ang hirap. Dito na lang tayo. Pinahirapan ko pa yung sarili ko. Dito pala open. Ayan. Sorry for the noise, for the wind noise. Ayan, wala tayong mic. So anyway, this is the Sun World, guys, yung amusement park na kitang-kita sa lounge. Parang may saucer stadium. I'm not sure kung ano yun pero may nakikita ko napakalaking parang UFO type. Siguro stadium yan. Now, on this side, they have the overlooking view of the Han River, I guess. Pak. Up, they also have a door here that will lead to like a yoga area. So look at the view. Let me show you. Okay, so let's head inside. Not sure if this is open. No, it's not. So doon tayo sa harap. Char. Ang daming gwapo dito. Ano ba yan? Ayoko na nga. Hindi na ako alis. Charot lang. Okay, let's go back inside, guys. And let's check their gym. So, no one is here. And wala tayong maapakang privacy. Look at this. So they have treadmills, may mga dumbbells, my push, Kemerut, my bike, and my water dispenser over here. And if you want music, background music while doing the workout, feel free. And they also have, by the way, an outdoor area here. We're gonna go down. We'll go to that area later on. And this is their mini yoga area, or if you want to dance there, you can dance like this. Charot lang. Alright, so we are done. Let's go this way. But yung way niya is doon sa labas. You know what, guys? Pag nagta-travel kasi ako, like kumukuha ko ng mga tour sa mga like this one sa Vietnam, sa Thailand, sa Bali, nakakapawis, nakakabawas timbang yung mga activities na kinukuha kasi natin. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, baka may napansin kayo na parang pumayat ako. Ano ba yan? Ano yun? Hindi ako nag-exercise. Kung baka talagang grabe lang yung pagod natin sa mga pinagpupuntahan natin. Katulad nung sa Marble Mountain, guys, grabe yung akyatan. Eh, syempre, di ba pag mga ganong activity, mas mataas yung chance na ma-burn yung mga calories and fats. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? Charot. So look at that. Ay, this one. Look at this. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na parang daanan. Yung pwede kayo mag-morning jog. Over there. Dadaan kayo sa ilalim ng tulay. Tapos ayun. Yung yellow na yan, pwede nyo lakarin. Actually, hindi lang dyan. Pwede rin kayo sa tulay kung gusto nyo kasi meron ditong hagdanan. Pataas. Pwede kayo maglakad. Ang ganda ng bridge na to. Oh. Mas gusto ko si Kuya. Balik na tayo. I guess, guys, we are done. Since maganda yung ating background, dito na lang tayo mag-outro. Okay? Oh, ang ganda. So guys, since we have an amazing view here, I just want to take this moment to say thank you Cameron, my friend, and thank you Mr. David, General Manager of Grand Mercure Da Nang, for this wonderful experience. I had fun. I had an amazing experience. This hotel inspired me the most because of the good-looking staff. From the restaurant to the gym and to the lounge area. I guess I will definitely be back here soon. Hopefully, Mr. David, I'll have a chance to meet you soon, and I'll be back here in Da Nang. Of course, I will definitely stay here again at Grand Mercure Da Nang. Wonderful staff, amazing service, great location, amazing view. So guys, if you're here in Da Nang and you want to have a complete hotel staycation experience, or if you want to experience what I've shown you guys so far, you can book this through All App, and you can also book this on other third-party platform like Klook. And if you're planning to book this hotel via Klook, guys, you can use my promo code Mark Paragas Klook for instant discount up to 5 times use per account. But I would rather suggest to book this hotel through app, so you can get a 10% member discount if you're gonna be signing. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for allowing me to show you and to showcase how this hotel looks like, how this amazing hotel has to offer. Ang dami kong ano. Hindi talaga mag-isa. So anyway, that's it. So guys, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to, don't forget to like this video and share sa mga alam nyong pumunta sa Da Nang and looking for a perfect hotel to stay. And then, kung first time nyo sa channel ko, syempre, subscribe na kayo to Mark Paragas Official and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin here in Da Nang. And you can also follow me on my other social media accounts. And guys, enjoy life, live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment. Amazing view, amazing weather. What else could you ask for? So guys, again and again and again, you will never get to this age again, guys. Please do whatever makes you happy. If I say do it, do it. Alright? And of course, follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys on our next vlog. See you tomorrow. Mama chup chup.